What are the things that differentiate your platform versus traditional estate planning? Let's go down that road a little bit there, Oscar.
So look, the difference between the platform, first, let's cover cost, which is the elephant in the room, right? What does it cost? If you go to an estate attorney, it's going to cost anywhere from $3,500 to the highest I've seen in estate plan is $15,000, right? The minimum I've seen is $3,500. Now, there's other softwares, but these softwares are not comprehensive. And what that means is that they're not a complete estate plan. What does that mean? That means that they don't have a guardianship plan. If you have young children, what's going to happen to your kids? And who are you going to choose for guardian? They don't have a healthcare power of attorney. And more importantly, if they do, we have a comprehensive one, which is called a HIPAA waiver. If you go to the doctor and you're the spouse, they'll tell you what's going on, but they won't release the records because you didn't have a HIPAA waiver. That means they'll tell you this is what's going on with him, but you won't have the records to get a second opinion. The third and most important thing is that you get unlimited updates and unlimited revisions with the software. I've seen attorneys charge $1,200 to just make a small change, to take that somebody that passed, added a family member, because in estate planning, there is no such thing as make changes. You have to do what's called a restatement. A restatement means that you have an estate plan and then somebody passes or somebody is born, you put another estate plan on top of it.
Supersedes the previous one.
That supersedes the previous one. That is correct. So that's why the estate plan starts at 150 pages, and the longer that you're in it, the more changes. Sometimes it becomes a 500-page document,
right?
Because there's so many changes. And I like to use the story of the tattooed son-in-law that marries your daughter. He's good for three things, right? Partying, partying, and partying. But you don't want him to inherit it, so you want to make a change that if something were to happen to your daughter, that those funds or that estate, instead of going to your daughter, goes to your grandchildren and not your tattooed son-in-law.
Got it.
So those are some of the reasons why you want updates, and that's why it's in there. So it's a comprehensive living trust. 2, you can get it done as little as 3 days if you want it done, as long as you get it notarized. And 3, you get unlimited updates. That in itself pays for itself after the first or second update.
Great information, Oscar, because I'm sure that a lot of people really don't understand what's all involved in estate planning. So good overview of your platform and how the system works and the benefit that they get out of the system. That's excellent information for our listeners.